again and welcome to my YouTube channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. What you are seeing behind is my first protected house. Many of you will call it greenhouse, but it is actually not always true. Greenhouse, polyhouse, net house are the different thing based on its application and level of control of the atmosphere. But we will discuss that into the separate videos. If you are interested in knowing the detail about all these different type of protected cultivation, then I am going to start a new series on the greenhouse basic, which you can find the link in the description below, where you can learn all the theoretical part. But right now I will show you how I have prepared this protected polyhouse from the scratch. In this video I will show you the step-by-step progress of the making of this polyhouse, which is a naturally ventilated one. So let's start with the video. So this is the plot where we are going to create our first net house, where we are planning to plant organically and hydroponic setup both in the single greenhouse. Half portion will be the organic growing and half portion will be hydroponic growing for the comparison purpose. Now you can see that we have marked the layout, and after putting the layout on the floor, we have arranged the pipes. In the center we are going to make a slope from both the side and make the A-frame in the center. So this is the frame what we are going to create into top. So after putting all the pipes, we have now started digging up the holes for the raising of the column. Once the column will be prepared, then we will be fitting the horizontal pipe, which will update you in the later part of the video. Now we have set all the pipes as per the layout, and now we are setting this right in the position. So once the position of the pipe is set right, then we will be tightening it with the help of nut and bolt and fix the position. So you can see that A-frame with all the bracing is getting ready. So it's the same way we need to prepare all the A-frames. So this is the A-frame which is positioned and tightened and ready. Once all the A-frame is done, then we need to fix the profile for fixing the plastic sheet on the top. So we are fixing the profile with the help of self-drilling screw. So we will be fixing all the profile on the top of all the frames. Once the profile is done, it will be looking like something like this, and then we will be erecting the frame. Now our frame is completely ready with all the fittings tightened up and ensure. Now we are going to lift this frame to the position, vertical position. For that we have tied up a rope in the center. So we are going to lift from all the 3 columns, plus another 2 person will be balancing the frame. Now you can see we are simply raising this frame. So once we raise the frame, then we will be putting the vertical position, measuring the vertical position, and tie them up and fill all the holes with the concrete to ensure that proper fitting is there. Now you can see that you can visualize the size and shape of the house. So we are tying this rope up, which will hold the frame into the position. So we are tying this at both the sides. So now our 2 frames are ready into position. Now we will be fixing a cross member. So we have already prepared some L and T for fixing that cross pipe. So the pipe will be fitting in the across direction. Now you can see we have fixed this on the one side, and second side we are going to fix with the T joint which we have already prepared. So end portion is L, in center it is T. So that T we are fixing it up. So this will position the pipe. Now you can see that our whole structure is ready. We have fixed it with all the tie members also. Now it's turn to cover it. So before covering, we will be fixing some old nets to the corners and other metal part so that our plastic doesn't get tear off. So we are covering the corners with this plastic strap, plastic net strap. So this will protect our plastic from damage. Now we are erecting our plastic on the structure. So we have folded it special way so that we can lift this roll and spread it on the roof. So we have tied with the one rope and we are taking this plastic up. So first we will spread this plastic on the top side and then spread on the lower side. Now our plastic roll is lifted on the center. Now we will open this roll and lock it at the one end with the help of spring, zigzag spring. So it will hold the position. Then we'll align the whole sheet and lock from the top for all the position. So now our plastic is spread on all this structure, and now we are aligning the first portion and locking it with the final with the spring. Now we are final fitting our covering plastic on the top. So we have started from the right corner and we are continuously stretching the plastic and fitting that spring into the profile. So it will stay into that position. We have kept this plastic 2 to 3 hours into sun for getting heated, so we can stretch it and fit it tightly. The same way we are going to fix our insect net also on the sides. So it is temporarily fit, but once the top plastic is done, then we will stretch those insect net and fit this into the side. So we will give you the final update once everything is done. We'll show you how it is looking after completion. Now you can see that our polyfilm is fit on the top, on the roof, and now the net fitting, the insect net fitting work is going on. So we are fixing the insect net on all the sides so that good air circulation maintained within the polyhouse. So we are fixing this net with the help of this profile and spring. Once the net is fixed, insect net is fixed, it will be fixed into the ground, something like this, and this will, you can see that this is the fix into the ground, and this is how the work will be completed. We will be covering all the 4 sides with the same pattern, and our greenhouse will be completed with this. Now you can see that our polyhouse construction is over. Let's watch from inside how it is looking. So you can see that we have a structure. We have covered the top with the UV resistance polyfilm, and we have covered the sides with the insect net. So insect net will allow the air to pass from it, and what we have done, we have kept this open in the wind direction. So whatever heat generated into the polyhouse will be carried by the natural wind, and the temperature of the polyhouse will be under control. Further, we are going to add foggers and other system to maintain the moisture, as well as some cooling will also be provided with this help of the fogger. So you can see that now our polyhouse is covered from all the sides. Now we need to make an arrangement for the growing area. So what we are planning in this growing, on that side, we are planning for growing organically in a vertical position. In the middle, we are going to set up a hydroponic unit with the NFT and the media, and in the right, I'm going to take a trial on the aquaponic setup. So we'll be updating you regularly on this, the development of the growing setup and hydroponic and aquaponic setup regularly into upcoming videos.